Do you often find yourself skimping on sleep to accommodate your busy schedule? If so, you're not alone. In our fast-paced world, sleep often gets sidelined. But here's the thing, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as important to our bodies as eating, drinking, and breathing. It's a crucial time for our bodies to heal and rejuvenate, and for our brains to process and consolidate the day's experiences. The hustle and bustle of modern life, with its constant demands and distractions, can disrupt our natural sleep patterns. This not only affects our energy levels, but also impacts our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We may think we're getting by just fine on 5 hours of sleep, but the truth is, we're not at our best. We're not as healthy, as sharp, or as happy as we could be. Sleep isn't just time out from daily life. It is an active period essential for mental and physical rejuvenation. Ever wondered what happens while you're asleep? It's more than just a passive state of rest. Sleep is an active period in which a lot of important restoration and healing takes place. Let's dive into the physical perks of proper sleep. First off, it's the body's prime time for restoration and healing. As we slip into the deeper stages of sleep, our bodies kick into repair mode. Tissues are mended, muscles grow, and our immune system gets a much-needed boost. Imagine a team of night shift workers diligently patching up the day's wear and tear. That's essentially what's happening inside your body every time you hit the sack. Next, we have weight management. You might be surprised to learn that the secret to maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about diet and exercise. Sleep plays a significant role too. Lack of sleep can disrupt the hormones that regulate our appetite, making us more prone to overeating and weight gain. So if you're trying to keep those extra pounds at bay, don't discount the power of a good night's sleep. But the benefits don't stop there. Sleep also has a profound impact on our cardiovascular health. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of heart diseases. Conversely, getting enough sleep helps keep our heart healthy and blood pressure regulated. It's like providing your heart with a well-deserved break, allowing it to catch its breath and ready itself for the next day. So while we're tucked away in our beds, seemingly oblivious to the world, our bodies are hard at work, restoring, healing, and strengthening. It's during this vital period that we recharge, both physically and mentally, preparing ourselves to face another day filled with challenges and opportunities. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies require regular maintenance to function optimally, and sleep is a critical part of that maintenance. It's not just about feeling refreshed and alert, it's about giving our bodies the time they need to heal, repair, and recharge. Sleep is indeed a powerful ally for a healthier body. So the next time you're tempted to skimp on sleep, remember the incredible physical benefits that come with a good night's rest. Sleep isn't just for the body, it's for the mind too. It's a common misconception that the brain shuts down during sleep. On the contrary, while our bodies are at rest, our brains are quite active, playing a critical role in various cognitive functions. One of the most significant is memory consolidation. While we sleep, our brains process and store the day's experiences, converting them into long-term memories. This process is crucial for learning and retaining information. Moreover, sleep boosts our problem-solving skills and overall mental clarity. A well-rested mind is more alert, focused, and capable of tackling complex tasks. So, if you've been struggling with a tricky problem, perhaps a good night's sleep could help you find the solution. Now let's shift gears and talk about the emotional benefits of sleep. You've probably experienced the mood swings and irritability that can follow a sleepless night. Well, these aren't just random occurrences. Sleep directly impacts our emotional well-being by helping to regulate our mood. When we are well rested, we are better equipped to handle emotional situations. We're more patient, less impulsive, and generally more positive. In other words, a good night's sleep enhances our emotional resilience, helping us adapt and respond effectively to stress or challenges in our lives. Speaking of stress, it's no secret that it's a widespread issue in today's fast-paced world. But did you know that sleep plays a crucial role in stress reduction? Quality sleep provides the body and mind with the necessary restoration to better cope with daily stresses. It's almost like hitting the reset button, allowing us to start each new day with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. In essence, sleep is a natural antidote to stress. It helps us manage our emotional responses, making us less susceptible to stress-induced mood swings and emotional upheavals. In conclusion, sleep does much more than just rest our bodies. It rejuvenates our minds, improving cognitive functions, boosting emotional resilience, and helping us effectively manage stress. A good night's sleep can make your mind more resilient and ready to face life's challenges. Sleep doesn't just make you feel better, it makes you live better. It's easy to overlook sleep's impact on our daily activities and long-term goals, but the truth is, quality sleep can significantly enhance our physical performance and productivity. Let's consider physical performance first. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone who enjoys a morning jog, sleep matters. During sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds tissues and muscles, preparing you for the physical demands of the next day. Adequate sleep can boost your endurance, strength, and coordination, allowing you to perform at your best. Sleep also plays a pivotal role in productivity. When we're well rested, our minds are more alert, focused, and creative. We can think more clearly, solve problems more effectively, and tackle our daily tasks with precision. So if you find your productivity lagging, it might not be a lack of effort or time management skills. It could simply be a lack of sleep. Now let's talk about longevity. Yes, you heard it right. Quality sleep could potentially add years to your life. Studies suggest a correlation between sufficient sleep and a longer lifespan. When we sleep, our bodies are in repair mode, healing and rejuvenating. Our immune system is strengthened, and our cardiovascular health is supported. This restoration process contributes to overall health and resilience, potentially extending life expectancy. In essence, by prioritizing sleep, we're not just setting ourselves up for a day of success. We're investing in our long-term health and well-being, cultivating a lifestyle that could potentially lead to a longer, more fulfilling life. So as we navigate the demands of our daily routines, let's not forget the importance of sleep. Let's make it a priority, not just for the immediate benefits it brings, but for the profound impact it can have on our lifestyle and longevity. Sleep is a significant contributor to a productive life and a potential key to longevity. So how can you ensure a good night's sleep, you might ask? Well, there are several practical strategies you can adopt to enhance your sleep quality. Firstly, establish a sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on days off. This regularity can help set your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep at night. Secondly, create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could involve pre-sleep rituals that signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Perhaps it's reading a book, doing some gentle stretching, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. The goal here is to make the transition from wakefulness to sleep as smooth as possible. Next, optimize your sleep environment. This could mean investing in a comfortable mattress, cozy bedding, or even blackout curtains to minimize light. Keep your room at a cool, comfortable temperature, and consider using earplugs or a white noise machine if you're bothered by noise. The aim is to create a space that supports quiet, restful sleep. Fourthly, limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by devices like smartphones and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Try to switch off these devices at least an hour before bedtime to allow your body to prepare for sleep. Lastly, be mindful of your diet. Avoid food and drinks that can interfere with sleep, such as caffeine and alcohol, especially close to bedtime. Also, try not to go to bed either hungry or overly full, as this discomfort might keep you awake. With these tips, you can work towards better sleep and consequently a healthier life. Remember, good sleep is not just about quantity, but also about quality. So make sleep a priority and embrace the profound benefits it brings to every aspect of your life. In conclusion, sleep is a vital component of our health and well-being. It's the time when our body restores, heals, and rejuvenates itself. It plays a crucial role in weight management, cardiovascular health, and strengthening our immune system. But its magic doesn't stop there. It also significantly enhances our mental clarity, emotional resilience, and our ability to handle stress. Moreover, it's a significant player in improving physical performance, productivity, and even potentially extends life expectancy. We've seen the importance of establishing a sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, optimizing our sleep environment, limiting screen time, and watching our diet. These steps can help us achieve quality sleep. Remember, sufficient sleep is not a luxury, but a fundamental pillar of a healthy and fulfilling life. As we navigate through the challenges and demands of our daily routines, let's prioritize our slumber. Your path to a healthier, happier life might just start with a good night's sleep. Hey there, we hope you found this video informative and helpful. We'd love to hear from you. How has sleep affected your life? What steps have you taken to improve your sleep quality? Do you have any sleep tips or tricks that you'd like to share with our community? Your experiences and insights could help someone else on their journey to better sleep and overall wellness. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it beneficial. It really helps us out. And if you think any of your friends or family could benefit from this video, please feel free to share it with them. Lastly, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We regularly share health and wellness content just like this to help you on your path to a healthier, happier life. Remember, your journey to a healthier, happier life might just start with a good night's sleep. Thank you for watching.